Hello and welcome to Dressmaking Aurora. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful silky midi skirt on a bias. It's an absolutely elegant skirt, so flattering and gorgeous. Even if this is your first time sewing something on bias, I'm going to show you how to make it simply and easily. The link to this Aurora skirt pattern is in the description below this video, so make sure to get it down below and make yourself this beautiful skirt. The materials you'll need are 1.6 to 2 meters of silky fabric, about 2 yards, elastic, 2 centimeters wide and as long as your waist measurement, matching thread, glass head pins, the pattern, and scissors. Now I'll be using French seams to sew this skirt, but you can always use a serger as well to speed up your work. For this skirt, I'm going to use a lilac stretch chiffon. You'll need a lightweight woven fabric with some drape. This would be something like a natural or synthetic silk, crepe, or satin. There's more information about the needed fabric in the instructional ebook that comes along with your pattern, which is where you're also going to find the pattern printing and cutting, as well as the fabric cutting and layout guide. Before we get started, please click that like button down below and subscribe for more dressmaking videos. Let's begin! Cut out your pieces following the instructions of your pattern and make sure to transfer all of the marks with small clips. Because my fabric is similar from the wrong and right sides, I marked the wrong side with a little cross. We're going to use French seams to sew our side seams, and it's mostly used for lightweight fabric and it gives a clean, beautiful finish. Place the front and back pieces wrong sides together and pin the side seams, matching all of the marks. Sew the side seams 6 millimeters from the edge. And then trim the seam allowances to 3 millimeters. Press the side seams to one side. Turn the skirt over and now right sides together, pin the side seams again. The seam allowances will be inside the seam. Sew the side seam by stitching on the wrong side about 5 millimeters from the edge. Press the side seams towards the front so that the eye won't catch on the edge of the seam when looking straight on the skirt. Sew the ends of the elastic, creating one loop, and using a zigzag stitch to secure the elastic ends. Mark the waist, back, and front centers of the skirt. Mark the quarters of the elastic as well. Then pin the elastic to the waistline from the right side of the skirt, matching the elastic marks with the waistline marks. I place the seams of the elastic at the center back of the skirt so that I will always know where the back of the skirt is. Pin in between. Sew the elastic to the waist close to the edge using a zigzag stitch. Fold the elastic to the wrong side and secure it at the side seams. Press the waistline edge, careful not to catch the elastic. Now it's time to try on the skirt and look for any unevenness at the hem edge. Trim off any excess fabric. Fold the hem edge 1 cm to the wrong side and sew 2 mm from the edge. Trim away the seam allowances as close to the stitch as possible. Press. Then fold the seams to the wrong side once again and stitch over the first seam, creating a very narrow hem. Press the hem of the skirt. And give your piece a finishing press, cooling it to give it a professional finish, and we are done with our beautifully elegant Aurora bias midi skirt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Get the sewing pattern at the link in the description, and happy sewing!